everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy holiday drinks. These drinks will totally make your Christmas more merry and bright, so let's get started with the video. The first drink is the Grinch. To make this drink, begin by getting out 2 plates. On one plate add simple syrup, and on the other plate add red sprinkles. Coat the rim of your glass in the simple syrup, and then in the sprinkles. When you're finished, set your glass to the side. Next, in a cocktail shaker, add ice, 1.5 ounces of Midori, 2 ounces of vodka, and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Place the lid on top and then shake. Next, in the glass you had before, add ice and your cocktail mixture. Now top your drink off with ginger beer and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. The next drink is the Sugar Cookie Martini. Begin by grabbing 2 plates, and on one plate add icing or frosting, and on the other plate add sprinkles. Then coat the rim of your glass in the icing and sprinkles. When you're finished, set your glass to the side. Next, in a margarita shaker, add ice, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 ounces of Baileys, 1 ounce of vanilla vodka, and 1 ounce of white chocolate liqueur. Place the lid on top and then shake. Pour your cocktail mixture in the glass you prepared before and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. And the last drink is the Dirty Snowman. Begin by getting 2 plates, add chocolate syrup to one plate, and sprinkles to the other. Coat the rim of your glass with chocolate syrup, and sprinkles. Then add chocolate syrup around the side of your glass. Then add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1/4 cup of Baileys, and hot chocolate. Top your drink with whipped cream and sprinkles and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. These drinks are tasty and festive, so I totally recommend giving them a try. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!